What's happening, YouTube? We are doing a new project. Getting used to this shooting videos and all that good stuff and editing. So do one on this little pond remodel. So this was my dad's little dream. He built it with all by himself. I think he hired a guy to do the concrete and all that, but anyways, over the years, it's got some koi pond. We're having some clarity issues right now. It's hot out, summertime. Over the years, he grew this beautiful tree over this waterfall. It cracked the waterfall somewhere, so it started leaking over the years, and so pretty much looks like it's my turn to try to solve the issue. We're gonna shoot a video and do a little recap. I forgot my cameras today, but we are gonna give it a shot. Keegan's over here. First thing we're gonna do is get out all the loose rock and gravel. I mean, it's probably 6 inches deep. We're gonna do the whole waterfall, vacuum it all out, get it all nice. See if we find any kind of crack or whatnot, but who knows how that goes, and we'll go from there. I'll do some YouTubing, figure out how other people are doing it. So, see you there. I want you to get it all the way clean, like you're gonna eat off of it, all right?
I'll never eat off
You notice we had to bypass it. The water looks like it came from right here. There's a pipe. We also found another pipe. Who knows where these things go? We'll figure it out with some tools that I'm gonna probably have to buy, but here's all the piping. We had to go behind it, but yeah, I promise there's nice fish in there. Alrighty, we're only about an hour in. My dad had this so thick, check this out, but I mean, that's how deep that thing is. It's just thick with river rock, which he used for media and filtration-ish thing type deal, but I don't think we need to put it back in there. We're just trying to fix a leak right now. But here's that tree, you know, coming back right on the back. I'm pretty sure when I start digging, I'm gonna probably find a root coming out, cracking the, there's another couple pipes back there. I haven't got there yet, but we're gonna clean all this up right here, all the way down, try to save some of these nice plants he has. But that is going to be the project, and I will say it's going to take probably a few weeks. There's just so much river rock up here, but not sure. All right, so here's what we're looking for right here. That's tree roots. That's coming from this tree. That's what we're looking for. We got them on the back side a little bit. You can tell it's obviously growing through right there. And then it's coming up right here. I'm not gonna rip these out because we wanna know where exactly it's gonna be coming from. But that's what we're looking for. Those are tree roots. Those are not vine roots. All right, well anyways, I lied. I should have paid more attention in my agriculture class in high school, but that is not the root, that is vines, and it's going outside the waterfall. Keep searching. I want you guys to see how deep this is. See where Keeg's sitting? That was just full, all the way up to his, probably up above his ankles with just rock. Look at this one right here. Watch, Keegs, get this, where I'm gonna shovel. Here, video it. It's on. Ready? Look how deep. Look at all that rock. We gotta clear all that out. All right, we're at a dilemma. We got all these vines. I mean, we got big roots too. The vines look, yeah, some black widows, but the vines look real nice over the rocks. And then this project, I don't know if I want to tear them out or try to keep them in here. All right, check it out. It's all concrete. There's these pipes everywhere. We found almost where they all go. We got to make sure they're not clogged too. That could probably cause some issues. Coming up, all concrete. So far there are some like little cracks that roots are coming out of the ground. My question is, this side we're getting pretty good. The question is this side. I think we should go to this rock. Nothing back over there. I don't think the waterfall ever climbed over there. But my question is, these vines. These vines are going through every little crack, crevice, and all these rocks. That would mean we'd have to tear this section out if I'm gonna clean that. I can't just fold it over. What do you think I should do? Alright, we are on day 2. Our goal is to tear out all this weeds. We got this done yesterday. Cleared out all the gravel, it's all to the concrete. We're gonna tear all those vines out. All the way, probably just to right there. We'll see how far we get today. But got to get some better clarity. That's our goal. We're eventually going to do something with this fence around it. Probably around this whole pond. We'll see. How you feeling, Keeks? Yeah. You ready to put in some work? Let's do it. Well, a few hours in, let's check it out. We got help now. Cleaning up all the vines. Getting her back to where she used to be. Not sure what I'm gonna do around this. We'll figure it out. This would have made my dad proud. Would have made Pops proud. Got to work on that clarity. Summertime, ponds flip. So we need to get better water flow, some aeration. What a project. What a hobby, huh? Turn the radio down. Need some advice.
Well, there are 250 reasons.
So we're getting this. This is getting all good. I mean, there's some spots we'll still vacuum out. But coming through here, waterfall, got all that gravel. Most of it was dirt and weeds and nastiness. Anyways, I was gonna do it to this rock because I felt like that's where the water went. But you start getting in here, there's pipes everywhere that Dad's had, and you come over here and he's got a pipe coming out right there. He's got a pipe underneath this that goes back in here. My question is, do you want me to remove all these vines? I mean, they're big. It's almost like he grew them for coverage. But do you want me to remove all the vines to this tree? Let me know. Alrighty, we are flowing. Alright, we got water flowing through the thing. And look what we got. Looks like it's coming somewhere right in here. The piping. Alright, Kate, show us what's going on.
Okay, so technically over here the waterfall was not working, so we had to clear all this out and get all the weeds out.
Now it seems like it's working. We just need to guide some
And
a little bit.
that white little tube over there, that's what's supposed to be originally putting all the water into all the tubes to come down. But follow me. Over here, this connects up there to that tube that's supposed to be taking the water, but it was leaking. So when we filled it with the water that we bypassed, it would fill up and leak all out of here. So we bought a plug and plugged it. Then we're just gonna like put it up. We're gonna put that hose up there, and it's gonna flow all the water through those little tubes. And we didn't know it was the waterfall that went over all the way over there. Dang mosquitoes. But yeah.
Oh, cool. Let's check it out. Alrighty. It is, I'd technically say day 3, but pond's been running for over 24 hours. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. No leaks. Clean that up. That looks nice now. Woo. Water's flowing, whole thing. Water's flowing. No more leaks. The waterfall goes all the way over there. Now next step is just to place some rock in there, just bigger rock to kind of guide the water certain areas you want the water to go. That'll be probably next step. Finish this little waterfall project up. I'm not sure if we're gonna put any kind of rock back in there that we took out. And then next step is going to be putting a barrel filter right here just to get a little bit more filtration. But that's what it is. So this is the best view. That waterfall goes all the way over there. Beautiful now. Way better. Can't believe we didn't do this a long time ago.